Hey guys, it's Monday and I wanted to ask you guys a question. Do you guys want me to start doing weigh-ins once a month so that it's a bulk weigh-in of just getting the weight at the end of the month instead of doing it every single week? And the reason why I say that is because I started Shark Week and I've gained weight since the hormone change and everything like that, and I will be still working out and everything like that, but there's also plans that could change drastically when I can film and stuff like that. I can't tell you those plans because they're not set in stone yet, and I just found them out last night, so so there is a situation in my life that might change drastically, and I might not be able to film as much because of it. So I think I'm filming when I can, but giving you guys a monthly weigh-in instead. Also, then it won't clog up my YouTube channel and everything like that. And just update you guys throughout the month when I can film other things like cleaning videos if I can, on anything else. I might do some writing vlogs occasionally for my Lee's Book Corner if you want to check those out, or book hauls if I can. I say if I can very carefully because what's going on could change. Like I might not be able to do it, I might be able to do it. It all depends on the scenario of if I can get some certain things done. And if it happens, then I need a lot of time to do other things. I'm trying to be as discreet as possible because I don't want to. Every time I tell you guys something, I notice it always messes something bad up, and it's not your guys' fault. I think I jinx myself, you know. So I'm trying not to tell you guys it until it's set in stone, and etc., etc. Like, even when I would say I'm going to work out as many times as I do or say I'm going to in the week, I never end up doing it because like I get tired or exhausted or something happens or I just become lazy and procrastinate, and it's just always something, and it's my fault. It is my fault for letting it to get that far so quickly and so drastically and just becoming lazy and stuff like that. It's not an excuse. So I want to change that from now on. So I'm going to probably do this last weigh-in this Saturday. If I do a weigh-in, I'm not sure. I might still weigh myself, but I might not film it, just to keep track of where I'm at, but not write it down until the end of the month. And I'll say it like it'll be like on a certain day, like the 28th or something, that I'll do the weigh-in every single time. And I'll even start measuring myself and doing that in front of the camera too if you guys want to as well. We'll see. When I know more what's going on about what I'm planning, I'll let you guys know about it. So I might just do a weigh-in once a month instead of every week, and try to figure out something else to film for you guys if I have the chance to do that. Hey guys, if the camera's moved around slightly a bit here and there, it's because the cats are right by the camera and I'm not going to move them. So today we're doing a small grocery haul. When I say small, I'm trying to say in budget, so it's small for us. But let me show you what we got. We got a thing of Kobe Jack cheese, 1 pound for game night. We got another thing of sliced Kobe Jack cheese for Zach for lunch. Got 2 things of tortillas, large tortillas for game night also. Got some 100% whole wheat bread for Zach for lunch, for his lunches. Got 100 bags of sandwich lunch bags. God, I can't talk today, I'm sorry. And paper towels. And I know this isn't good for you, but I'm trying to make Mexican rice for Zach. And you need vegetable oil or canola oil, and I picked up vegetable oil. 2 things of oat milk. We use this for our coffee. Oranges. 2 things of tomato sauce for the Mexican rice that I'm making. Mayo and bowls. Some roast beef and chicken breast deli meats. This is the no nitrates or nitrites and no artificial flavors and no product added. 4 things of ground turkey. 4 things of them. There's 4 of these. I don't want to pick them up because they're cold. I don't do well with cold. Tomato bouillon with chicken flavoring for the Mexican rice. A white onion for Mexican rice also. Okay, yeah. Bananas, minced garlic, Zach's deodorant. For the final bag, because I told you I didn't get a lot. Taquitos for Zach. 2 bags of deluxe stir fry for a dinner. Mexican rice and beef are going to be for 1 dinner. These for another one. So that is my grocery haul for this week, this 2 weeks. I might have to pick up things here and there maybe next week if we run low on stuff. But I'm trying to very best to stay in budget no matter what. And that's the best we can do. So I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the vlog. I'll probably start doing this in the vlogs more often depending how large the load of groceries we have, depending on our budget at that week. But this week it was a lower budget because we had bills to pay. They're a little bit more expensive, so we're just trying to figure our situation out. So I hope you guys enjoyed. 167.4 take off 0.2 pounds for clothing and camera weight. It's 167.2. I'm confused, heavily confused as to why. I haven't been eating that much at all this week, and though I haven't been drinking much water either, I don't know why I gained. I mean, I was only able to work out once this week because I had a really low energy week. I haven't been hungry, and when I am hungry, I've been eating like oranges and bananas. And grapes. Grapes are another thing I've been eating. I mean, I will admit I've had 1 ramen almost every single day this week. Almost, not all the days, but only 1 pack of ramen. And that's because we've just been low on dinner foods. So I'm trying to save them for Zach's lunches for work. I just gotta work harder, I guess. I'm going to try to update you guys now on my weigh-ins on the 28th of each month, which is ironically next Saturday. So you will be getting a weekly vlog next Saturday. But then after that, it's gonna be a monthly vlog every 28th. So you'll be seeing a longer vlog, but I won't do my weigh-in until the 28th of that month. And I'll even do measurements if I remember. I'll try to remember because I need to start doing measurements. I have it listed down in my journal and everything to do measurements. I just keep forgetting about it. Alright, I got things to do. So I edit this video and stuff and clean because I stopped cleaning yesterday. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you next Saturday.